This is a message for William Dukent. This is Bruce Cogburn.
Mr. Dukent.
Mr. Dukent?
I'm calling in response to the letters I've received from you. I'm not sure how you found me.
But your letters constitute harassment, so please stop sending them.
You're that writer of The Infernal Machine. I remember them pulling it off the shelves because of a shooter from Knoxville.
He's the reason I never wrote a second book.
The right combination of words will make a man do just about anything.
The 17-year-old killed 13 people after reading the controversial novel, The Infernal Machine.
I have 100 of these at my house. From your driver. He drives a red hatchback.
These are the only vehicles our drivers use.
Who are you?
How about the guy who read your book, the shooter from Knoxville?
No, he's rotting away in a Supermax prison. It's not him.
You need to stop writing to me, okay?
So what do you want with William Dukent?
I'll answer that after you tell me what he wanted from you.
He wanted to know if I saw the same things in the book as he did.
Are you saying there's a hidden message in that book?
For the whole world to hear. You can't make sense out of madness now. Can you, Bruce? You got a lot of questions about that book of yours.
I know where we are, Mr. Dukent. We're at the end of Act 2, aren't we? Where the protagonist reaches their limits.
Mr. Cogburnn!
Questions their sanity.
Is there anybody who might have a score to settle with you?
You're a coward. You hear me? I'm a coward. And if I find you, I'm gonna kill you.
I can't wait.
Who's sending the messages?
Please check the number and dial again.
Messages!
Please check the number and dial again.
Who's sending the messages?
Please check the number and dial again.
Words, if you don't know how to play them, they'll sure as hell play you.